A former foster father, already convicted of sexually abusing young girls, faces a judge again in the wake of a 5 investigates exposure of horrific abuse inside a state-licensed foster home hidden for decades. Our Kathy Curran and producer Kevin Rothstein have been digging into that case for more than a year and a half, and they have today's developments.
The Worcester County District Attorney opened a new criminal investigation after our reporting uncovered years of alleged abuse inside a foster home during the late 90s and early 2000s. Investigators began interviewing some of the former foster children who are now adults, and this is the first new criminal charge in this horrific case.
Did you sexually assault your foster son, John? According to the police report, it says this happened on multiple occasions. Did you think this would all stay hidden?
Ray Bluen keeps his head down and keeps walking as he heads into court to be charged with sexually assaulting his former foster son, John Williams, when he was a young boy.
Indecent assault and battery on a child under 14.
The former foster father stands before a judge now charged with an alleged crime that happened in the late 90s. According to this police report, John Williams told investigators he was fondled by Ray Bluen multiple times, neglected by his foster parents, beaten, and forced to sit with another foster child while naked. The man accused is already a registered sex offender after pleading guilty to sexually assaulting 2 other young foster children back in 2003.
I would consider everything that every child went through at the Bluen home was considered some type of sexual abuse.
Williams and his younger brother Nathan were placed in the Bluens' Oxford foster home when they were just 7 and 3 years old. 5 Investigates has been working with John, Nathan, and 5 other survivors of the Bluen home to uncover thousands of DCF and other records documenting the failures of the state's foster care system and a trail of alleged abuse that lasted for years. There are even accusations of abuse at the hands of Bluen's wife, who is a registered nurse.
Get out of here!
And her boyfriend, who moved into the home after her husband's conviction in the earlier cases. The boys say they were beaten, thrown in dog cages, and tortured.
Anything you want to say to the foster children? They were fragile children who needed to be loved and nurtured. Did they get that?
I know what children need. It's what we never got when we were young. Love, care, compassion.
And Ray Bluen was ordered not to have any contact with the alleged victim in this case and to have no unsupervised contact with any children under the age of 16. His lawyer had no comment, and the criminal investigation into what happened at the Bluen home is ongoing. Kathy Curran, 5 Investigates.